I'm excited to announce our newest team member today. He's an old friend of ours. We met at a party back at Joel and Suze's. He's a past client of ours who's bought and sold with us a few times. He knows my Auntie Lois from the hotel game, and he has a son named Grayson, the same age as mine. I'd like to introduce to you, Special Agent Johnston.
Hi, I'm Craig Johnston. I'm thrilled to be joining the McNabb team and becoming a special agent. I've known the McNabb brothers for a long time now. I've bought and sold with them, and I get the process of the real estate game. My wife Malika, also a stager as you can tell, I've had to help her move and stage a few properties. I have two young sons, Preston and Grayson, who are very active and keep me super busy. For the last 20 years, I've been working for a global hotel chain, most recently working as an account executive. I managed elite accounts, helping with communications, international negotiations, all while holding customer service at the forefront. So if you ever need any special agent real estate help, you know who to call. Peace.